So I was with Chrissy again yesterday, and she said,
Hey Chef May, make me a healthy dessert. Got it.
so let's make Chrissy's favorite, Twinkies, but healthy and for breakfast. First, combine your dry ingredients. I have oat flour, coconut sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And in a second bowl, combine your wet ingredients. I have an egg, unsweetened organic applesauce, vanilla extract, and then turmeric to give our Twinkie batter that signature yellow look naturally, and then plant-based milk. Give it a whisk. I also added some coconut oil. The full recipe is below. And gently mix your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients until just combined. And you can use any flour here. Your batter might just be a little bit darker. Then I take my Twinkie pan. I bought it on Amazon, and I'll link it in my Amazon highlights. And I put about a quarter cup of our Twinkie batter into each Twinkie mold. And then I bake it at 325. How cute do these look? I'm already so obsessed, and now it's time to stuff our perfect Twinkies with a high-protein vanilla custard filling. We're gonna start with vanilla protein powder. I love co-spreading, and I add organic vanilla extract and unsweetened coconut yogurt. Here I'm using Coco June. Give it a mix, and you can thin it out with plant milk. Fill your piping bag with your vanilla protein custard, and make sure you have a filler pipette on the end, and then stuff each Twinkie with your vanilla custard. This part is so satisfying. I could do it all day, and how cute do these look? I finished stuffing all of these Twinkies. They are so much more fun than a bowl of oatmeal. They're high fiber, and also did I mention that each Twinkie has over 7 grams of protein. My Chef Bay Twinkies are honestly healthy and good for you, so eat Twinkies for breakfast. They're delicious. Fire. These Twinkies are so delicious, and I think Chrissy will absolutely love. What do you guys think? Comment below.